Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Atiyah and I'm the Comfort Product Manager here at Canfield. Today I want to show you our newly designed Durafil ES3 Box Kit. The Durafil ES3 Box Kit is used when you need to install a Durafil ES3 in a Type 8 holding frame with limited downstream space, and if you need to install a pre-filter on the face of the filter. When opening the box, you'll see a gasket sheet with 8 strips of gasket, an instruction sheet written in both English and Spanish. Lastly, for a full-size Durafil ES3 box kit, you'll have 4 identical ES3 box kit frames. Now, to assemble the Durafil ES3 box kit, as we mentioned, for the full size you'll have 4 identical plastic frames in the box. We highly recommend you follow the instruction sheet that we included in the box, which also shows some images to illustrate how to assemble the box kit. First, you lay out 2 plastic frames on a table, tabs facing out. You'll grab one frame and you put it in its position. Then you snap it into its location. Once it's snapped in this location, that means you know your plastic frame is not coming off. Once you have your components attached, take one L frame and attach it to the other. Make sure you listen to that click sound. You do it from the top first, then the bottom. Then you have the box frame. To install the assembled kit, first, make sure you inspect the gasket. If the gasket is damaged, please use the gasket that we provided in the packaging. Second, the C80 fasteners. These are sold separately, and they go in 4 different locations on the Type 8 holding frame. Once you have the gasket in place and the C80 fasteners, you grab the box kit assembly, tabs facing you, and you install in the Type 8. Once the box kit is in the frame, make sure you pull the C80, put it in the tab. For applications where you use multiple box kits, you can easily pull the C80 fastener into its tab. Once the box kit is in the frame, you need to ensure to eliminate bypass between the Durafil ES3 and the box kit. Please use the gasket that we provided in the packaging. You'll peel the gasket off and you'll apply it on the inner face of the ES3 box kit. Once this gasket is installed, then you can install the Durafil ES3. Once the box kit is in the frame, it's time to install the Durafil ES3. As you notice, the Durafil ES3 has slots on the header, and those slots align perfectly with the tabs that you have on the Durafil ES3 box kit. The slot is right behind the tab. Push with your thumb, you hear the click. The Durafil ES3 is guaranteed for 3 years or 2.5 times its initial pressure drop. Once it's time to change the Durafil ES3, you'll start off with pushing the tab upwards and using this channel to pull the filter outwards. Then you go to the sides, you use the bottom tab, do the same on the other side. Lastly, you come to the bottom tab, push it downwards and pull the filter out. To install the pre-filter on the box kit, you need 4 C84 clips. These C84 clips have designated slots on the face of the Durafil ES3.